Hi, my name is Joe Massari with Mainline Overland, and I'm going to walk you through this adventure wagon van build that we did on this Ford Transit. So the first thing you might notice is that there is no bed inside of the van, and if you stick around we'll get to that later. With this particular van, this customer selected a heather gray side panel. These panels can come in 3 different cuts, so you have your low panel, your mid panel, and your high panel. This person chose gray for all 3, and then the ceiling, they chose a bamboo ceiling. Again, you can change what color and what fabric you would like, or if you would like plastic or wood. On the side panel as well. With the Ltracks, not only do they mount the Moab bed, they're also used for tying down any cargo you might have, and they run through pretty much the whole interior of the van. So if you want to move cargo around, if you need to tie anything heavy down, you have multiple access points to do so. One of the options with the Adventure Wagon kit are these Mule Bags. They offer some great storage solutions for whatever you might be bringing with you, whether it be clothing, food, toiletries, whatever you have going along with you. They also have a net underneath for additional storage, and then these also mount to that LTRAC system, so they'll be able to handle bumps and ruts and whatever terrain you'll be driving over. So taking a step back, you'll also notice we have 2 Max Air fans in the roof. These offer great solutions for ventilation for either cooking or just getting some air movement through the van to get rid of the stuffiness. They also have a rain sensor, so if you're sleeping not near the van and the lid is up, they will automatically close. Another option that this customer selected was a Trail kitchen pod. This comes with a sink, a fridge, which is a Dometic 65 liter. It also has these pull-out drawers for utensils. It also comes with utensils, and it also comes with another drawer for your plates, bowls, whatever other essentials you might be bringing along with you. In addition to the trail kitchens, these come with a 6-gallon gray water tank and a 9-gallon freshwater tank. This customer selected a 20-gallon Agile water tank, great for if you're going to be out on the trails for an extended period of time. You'll have a total of about 30 gallons of water. And on the side of it here is where you would drain and fill those tanks. So over here in this cabinet, this is a custom-built cabinet that we made for this Nature Head composting toilet. Next to the toilet is a swivel table that can be used for if you're working from home, if you need somewhere to eat. It has multiple uses, and this table also bolts into the LTRAC system, so this can also be moved up or down or somewhere else inside the van. Lastly, above our table is the thermostat for our S-Bar heater. This heater is a gas unit opposed to the diesel units that you might find in like a Sprinter. The heater will help the van stay a little more comfortable in those colder months. This is the Freedom Van Go Boondocking system. These systems are completely customizable down to your wants and needs. They can come with anywhere from 1 to 4 200 amp hour batteries. As you can see in this one only has 1 battery, but if needed, they can add at least 3 more batteries to their system. These systems also supply outlets all throughout the van, whether it be 3-prong outlets or a regular 12-volt socket to power items like a microwave or a fridge, coffee maker, or a blender if needed. So on the side of the box here is the digital controller. This will allow you to turn on and off the unit. It'll also show you your battery levels. It'll show you if you have a low battery. It'll show you if the inverter is on or off. Next to that is the Victron display, which will show you your current voltage, your solar consumption, and how much you have left. Another option these customers chose was they wanted to have some windows installed, so we installed these CR Lawrence windows, which allow for more ventilation and some more natural light into the van to make it feel a little bit more like an RV. In addition to that window, we also installed 2 bunk windows. These windows will allow for, again, more airflow and light to come in and out of the van when the bed is installed. And speaking of beds, we will now show you how to install an Adventure Wagon Moab bed and why it is beneficial to these kits. Shout out to Other Joe for helping us out get the bed installed. The bed is fully adjustable, so if you have to take the bed out during the day and utilize the cargo space more, that can be done, and at night the bed will easily install back into the LTRAC system. I think we're good. As you can see, we have the bed fully installed in the LTRAC system. The bed is fully adjustable, so it allows us to not only easily install and uninstall it, but the LTRAC system allows us to also raise and lower the bed. So if you have larger cargo items with you, you can raise up the bed to allow for more storage. Thanks for checking out this video on the adventure wagon build that we did on this Transit. If you have any questions regarding vans or any of the items that you saw in this video, feel free to reach out to us. Our information is located down below. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see any additional content from Mainline Overland.